Hey friends, welcome back! Today we play something really funny. Choose your birthday month. And unlock your cute kitten! Guess which mystery box will open first? Oh, it's December. Comment if you're born in December. Cute white kitten with Santa dress. Move on to the next one. Let's open June. Cute yellow kitten with blue eyes and blue dress. Which one will open next? Comment if you're born in March. Purple kitten with purple dress and necklace. Choose one month. This time it's September. Wow, it's a pink cat with blue eyes. Guess the month. Are you born in January? Comment below. Wow, white kitten with pink dress. Can you guess which one will open next? Let's unlock August. Orange kitten wears blue dress. I love it. What about you? Choose one month. February. Oh, it's a green kitten. Really beautiful. Comment your birthday month. Unlock July. Cute, an adorable blue kitten with a beautiful necklace. Move on to the next one. November. Wow, I love black and white kitten. Guess the month. It's April! White kitten with green dress. Which one will open next? Unlock October! It's a yellow cat! Which kitten do you like the most? Comment below! Let's unlock me. Wow, beautiful black kitten. Hope you enjoy the video! Now let's play the next funny game. We'll see you there!